Today in this session we are going to learn about secondary metabolites. Generally the plants perform many metabolic activities and result in the formation of many metabolites. These metabolites are categorized into the primary metabolites and the secondary metabolites. The primary metabolites are the carbohydrates, proteins and fats. These primary metabolites directly involve in the normal growth and development of the plant. So about these primary metabolites we have discussed in our earlier session. And now secondary metabolites. These are the materials which are not directly involved in the normal growth and development of the plant. That is, the materials which do not require for normal growth and development are called secondary metabolites. Then what are these secondary metabolites? These secondary metabolites are alkaloids, resins, tannins, gums and latex. These are some secondary metabolites produced by the plants. These secondary metabolites are produced by the plant for its own use, but we are using these secondary metabolites for our benefits. That is, human beings are using these secondary metabolites for their benefits. And all these secondary metabolites are colored and fragrant. Now we will see the different types of secondary metabolites. The first one is tannins. These tannins are observed in Acacia auriculata and Acacia arabica. Acacia arabica. These tannins are carbon compounds and these are stored in different parts of the plants, and the color of the tannins is deep brown. They are deep brown in color, and these tannins are used in tanning of leather, and these tannins are also used in the preparation of the medicines. Next, resins. These resins are found in gymnosperms. Best example is pinus. Mostly these resins occur in gymnosperms. These resins generally present in specialized passages called resin passages. These resins are used in the preparation of varnishes. Then gums. These gums are produced in neem and Acacia arabica. Neem, that is Azadirachta indica, Acacia arabica is the bubble. So what are these gums? The gums are sticky substances. They are oozed out from the cuts of the branch and stem. Then these gums swells when they absorb water, and that helps in the healing of the damaged part of the plant. So it is nothing but healing of the wounds. And gums are used as adhesives and also binding agents. And these gums are also used in the preparation of medicines and in the preparation of food dishes. Next is the latex. The latex is seen in Hevea brasiliensis and Jatropha. Latex is a sticky, milky white substance. It is stored in the latex cells or latex vessels, and the rubber is prepared from the latex of Hevea brasiliensis. And latex of Jatropha is the source of biodiesel. So with this we have completed different types of secondary metabolites and the source of these secondary metabolites and the uses of the secondary metabolites.